guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, greatly appreciate it. So today I'm working on these lights in the ceiling. So I went through and hung mostly all of these down this row. I think all of these on this row, and then me and my coworker tag teamed over here on this side. Excuse me. And so once I hung all the lights, I just started going back through and wiring them up. I just got the first one completely done right here. Just taking a wire out along this bar right here and then dropping it down into the light. And then the second one just kind of goes same thing, up the bar and then down to the light. So I just got to wire that junction box in right there. And as you can see over here, this one's already done and labeled. So yeah, basically just hanging lights, but also assembling them. So what that means is just got this huge pile of boxes. Got a pile of lights over here, so I was unboxing those and then putting them together, just taking the lights out and then using the jack chain. I basically used up all the jack chain, but this is what it comes in right here. It comes in that, and then basically the jack chain is what hangs the light down. So I was putting the jack chain on top of each side, and then my coworker is going around putting the jack chain on the ceiling. So now we're just going around connecting them. Basically just lift the light up there, hook it on there, and then clip it back down. So that's what I did, opening boxes, getting these assembled, ready to go, and then went around hanging them, and then just started wiring them in. So that's what I did today. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. It's kind of short, I'm sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. It'd help me out. And if you want to check out the description for social medias or anything like that to follow along, go for it. And if you click the notification bell, you'll be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos. If you want to do that, go for it. If not, that's cool too. Thanks guys, see you tomorrow. God bless. And just make sure to keep me in your prayers. It's still really rough. At work, I did a lot of crying today, and it was hard. So anyways, yeah, just you can't imagine what the family's going through. I just got his brother's phone number, and I messaged him a little bit. So anyways, I'm going to be meeting his family at the funeral. I'm flying to New York in a couple Saturdays, so I'll be there probably for like 2 or 3 days and then fly back. So anyways, I guess that's just gonna do it guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.